this is a fight. This is really a fighting episode, alright? I'll turn on the epic music. Wait, no. Ew! Oh, I like this one. Better. Let's do it. No! Oh, no. Oh, look at that! Wait, where'd they go? Go. Hello. He's right there. I'm recording you. Chia. I mean, nobody cares about the Chia thing. So you're just dying. That was plain easy. That was just easy. I think my punch will use a help. Okay. Double punch. No. Alright, I'm really wanting to end this episode now. I really wanna. I just wanna end it. Yeah, end it. Well, since Luigi's out cold over there with noise, but I don't have any one up, what do I do? I'm gonna. I have 100 1-ups. Want 1-up? Want 1-up? Yes. Here you go. Look. Ding. Stupid. They're gonna pay. You're gonna pay! You're gonna pay! You're gonna pay! You're gonna pay! Oh. Daddy, you're fixing this Mario. You're fixing it. Okay, I'm done. I am really, really done. Oh, yeah. We won the battle! Yay! Yay! And Luigi technically destroyed one, but he didn't finish one. Matthew, fix this one! I will later. No, you don't. Not get. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Bring the Mario over here. They're going down too. Hey! Okay, that's the end of the boss fight. Please watch another episode later in the future. Bye.